Welcome back, and thank you for being here. If you are planning to build, renovate, or start a business related to flooring, then this video is exactly what you need to watch before making any decision. Today, we are going to talk about something that many people overlook: the real difference between epoxy, tiles, and paint. Not just what they look like, but how they perform over time, how much they actually cost in the long run, and which one truly gives you value for your money. Most people choose a floor based on appearance or price alone. But the truth is, choosing the wrong floor can cost you years of repairs, wasted money, and frustration. So in this video, I'll help you understand the real picture, clearly, honestly, and without confusion. Let's begin. When people think about flooring, the first thing that usually comes to mind is paint. It's cheap, easy to find, and simple to apply. At first glance, it looks like the fastest solution. Paint is commonly used in small rooms, temporary spaces, or low-budget projects. You can apply it quickly, and it immediately changes the appearance of the surface. But what many people don't realize is that paint is only a surface coating. It does not bond deeply with the concrete. It simply sits on top of it. Because of that, paint starts to wear off very quickly. Foot traffic, moisture, cleaning, and even temperature changes slowly break it down. Over time, paint begins to peel, fade, and crack. In areas with heavy movement, it can fail within months. Paint also offers very little resistance to chemicals, oils, or moisture. Once water or chemicals penetrate the surface, the damage spreads fast. This is why paint is best suited only for temporary or low-use spaces. If you want something durable, paint alone is not enough. Now let's talk about tiles. Tiles have been used for decades in homes, offices, and commercial spaces. They are popular because they look clean, organized, and structured. Tiles are more durable than paint and can handle moderate traffic. They are also water-resistant and relatively easy to clean. However, tiles come with their own set of problems. The biggest issue is the grout lines. Over time, grout collects dirt, moisture, and bacteria. It becomes difficult to clean and often changes color. Tiles can also crack under pressure or impact. Once a single tile cracks, it disrupts the entire floor and usually requires replacement. Installation is another concern. Tiles require skilled labor, precise leveling, and time. If installed poorly, they can become uneven or loose. And although tiles look solid, they are not seamless. The joints between them always remain visible. Tiles are a good middle ground solution, but they are not perfect, especially in areas with heavy use or industrial activity. Now let's talk about epoxy, the modern and professional solution. Epoxy is not just a coating. It is a system made by mixing resin and hardener, which then chemically reacts to form an extremely strong surface. Unlike paint, epoxy does not sit on top of the floor. It bonds with the concrete itself, becoming part of the surface. This is why epoxy floors are so strong, durable, and long-lasting. Epoxy creates a seamless, smooth finish with no joints, no cracks, and no gaps. That alone makes it far superior in hygiene and maintenance. It is resistant to water, oil, chemicals, and heavy impact. Spills can be wiped easily without staining. Epoxy floors are commonly used in factories, hospitals, laboratories, showrooms, warehouses, and modern homes, places where strength, cleanliness, and durability are critical. Another major advantage of epoxy is its appearance. It offers a clean, glossy, modern look that instantly upgrades any space. You can customize epoxy with colors, designs, flakes, or metallic finishes to match your style or brand identity. When properly installed, epoxy flooring can last 10 to 20 years with minimal maintenance. That makes it one of the most cost-effective flooring solutions in the long term. Now let's compare all three options clearly. Paint is cheap at the beginning, but expensive over time because of frequent repairs and repainting. Tiles cost more initially, and while they last longer than paint, they still require maintenance and replacement. Epoxy may cost more at the start, but it saves money over the years because it lasts longer, needs less maintenance, and keeps its appearance. In short, paint is short-term, tiles are medium-term, epoxy is long-term. So which one should you choose? If you are working with a very tight budget and need a temporary solution, paint might work for you. If you want a traditional look and moderate durability, tiles are an option. But if you want a strong, modern, professional, and long-lasting solution, epoxy is the clear winner. Epoxy is ideal for homes, garages, shops, showrooms, factories, and commercial buildings. It provides strength, beauty, and reliability in one complete system. At Hanon Epoxy, we believe flooring is not just about looks. It's about performance, durability, and long-term value. We help our clients choose the right solution based on their needs, budget, and environment. If you're planning a project or thinking about upgrading your floor, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content about epoxy, flooring, and smart construction choices. Your floor matters. Choose wisely.